The building of Sri Kanchi Kamakoti Shankar Health, Education and Charitable Trust and the North-East Jajati Education Committee was inaugurated by the Governor of Meghalaya, Satyapal Malik, in Mauba, Upper Mauprem, Shillong on the 28th of June 2022. On the same day, the new building of the Jeevanram Mungidevi Goenka College, constructed on land donated by the Goenka family in Shillong, was also inaugurated by the Governor of Meghalaya. Those present during the inaugural function included the President of Meghalaya Education Committee, R. Sungo, the Director of NEGRIMS, Dr. Nalin Mehta, President of the North-East Tribes Education Committee, Basant Agarwal, industrialist Shankar Lal Goenka, editor of the Shillong Times, Patricia Mukim, staff and students of Vidya Bharati, besides others. It may be mentioned that Sri Kanchi Kamakoti Vidya Bharati Vidyalaya was started in 2004 in Shillong for students of nursery to class 10. During today's event, the MLA of West Shillong, Mohendro Rapsang, had donated Rs 15 lakhs to the school, and the same was handed over to the school management by the MLA's brother and businessman Rishan Rapsang.
The new school and college building of Shankara or Sri Kanchi Kamakoti Vidya Bharati Vidyalaya at Shillong, constructed on the land donated by Sri Goenka ji family of Shillong to Kanchi Kamakoti Pita. I am also happy to note that the school has been functioning from class Shiksha Shishu Bhatika to class 10 for the past 19 years since 2004. Vidya Bharati is an educational society which runs one of the largest private network of schools in India, operating 12,000 schools with over 35 lakh students and has its registered headquarters in Lucknow. In the year 2020, the Million Lives Club selected Vidya Bharati as an official member of Vanguard cohort for its contribution to school education. Particular attention is given to underdeveloped regions inhabited by tribal communities. The schools have provided a holistic model of success for students coming from different social, economic and religious backgrounds.